Hello, welcome back to Auto Pulse. The world of electric vehicles is evolving rapidly, and one of the most exciting innovations is the electric camper tricycle. Imagine a compact, eco-friendly vehicle that combines the efficiency of an electric bike with the comfort of a tiny camper. Whether you're an urban explorer or a minimalist traveler, this three-wheeled camper could be the future of personal mobility and adventure. At its core, an electric camper tricycle is a mix between a cargo e-bike, a small camper, and a personal mobility vehicle. Unlike traditional RVs or even compact camper vans, this trike is ultra-lightweight, highly maneuverable, and perfect for solo travelers or couples looking for an off-grid adventure. With the rising fuel prices and increasing environmental concerns, the need for sustainable travel is more important than ever. The 2025 electric camper tricycle offers a zero-emission alternative, helping adventurers reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying the freedom of the open road. The 2025 electric camper tricycle is designed with compactness, efficiency, and comfort in mind. Built on a lightweight aluminum or carbon fiber frame, it features a fully enclosed cabin for protection from the elements, aerodynamic bodywork to maximize efficiency, three-wheel stability, making it safer than a regular two-wheeled e-bike, a solar panel roof to provide additional power for longer trips, a modular sleeping area that transforms from a seat into a bed. Even though it's compact, the clever interior design makes it surprisingly comfortable. You can expect a foldable bed, small storage compartments, and even a compact kitchen setup with basic cooking essentials. Some premium models may even include a tiny sink and a foldable table for meals on the go. Powering the 2025 electric camper tricycle is an advanced lithium-ion battery pack, providing a range of 50 to 120 miles per charge, depending on the model and battery size. Pedal assist mode, allowing you to extend the battery range by pedaling when needed. Or regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery when slowing down. A multiple drive modes, such as eco mode for long-distance travel or sport mode for a quicker ride. Or rechargeable via solar panels, making it ideal for off-grid camping. Charging the trike is also super convenient. You can plug it into a standard power outlet, use a solar charging system, or even charge it at EV charging stations equipped with adapters. For long journeys, comfort is crucial. The 2025 electric camper tricycle has been designed with a focus on ergonomics. The seat is fully adjustable, offering good back support, and the suspension system absorbs bumps on uneven roads. Inside, you'll find USB charging ports, LED lighting, and smart storage solutions to keep your essentials organized. Some premium versions may also come with a built-in heating and cooling system for different weather conditions, a smart connectivity allowing you to track battery levels and GPS routes via a mobile app, voice-controlled commands for hands-free operation. The 2025 electric camper tricycle is perfect for urban dwellers, minimalists, solo travelers, and eco-conscious adventurers. It's a fantastic option for digital nomads looking for a mobile workspace, backpackers who want to travel sustainably, city commuters who need a compact, versatile vehicle, or retirees who love slow travel and scenic routes. Because it's affordable compared to camper vans, more people can now enjoy the van life experience without spending thousands of dollars on a full-size motorhome. One of the biggest advantages of an electric camper tricycle is that in many countries it's classified as an e-bike rather than a car, meaning you don't need a driver's license, insurance, or registration in some places. However, this varies depending on local laws, so always check regulations before purchasing. LED headlights and taillights for night riding. turn signals and rear-view mirrors for better visibility, a roll cage or reinforced body for extra protection. As of 2025, several companies are producing electric camper tricycles, with prices ranging from $5,000 and to $15,000 and, depending on features, battery range and brand. Some popular manufacturers to look out for include Trike, known for its sleek design and powerful battery. A nomad camper Trike, specializing in long-range and solar-powered models. Voyager, focused on sustainable, budget-friendly options. The best part? Many manufacturers offer a customization option so you can personalize your camper trike with additional storage, larger batteries, or even off-road tires for adventure travel. As more people seek affordable and eco-friendly ways to travel, the electric camper tricycle is set to revolutionize personal mobility. Whether you're commuting in the city, heading on a cross-country adventure, or simply looking for a new way to explore the outdoors, this lightweight, electric-powered, and self-sufficient camper could be the ultimate solution. Would you consider owning an electric camper tricycle in 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on future mobility trends.